Wind advisory in effect from 3 a.m. to noon Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. What? Southerly to south-southwesterly winds up to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of north-central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 3 a.m. to noon Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.